Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. A quack quack here, a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Let's learn with Monami.
Hello Monami.
Hello teacher.
Hello children. And today we are going to do letter
Q. Quack quack Q.
Yes. So let's start. This is an uppercase Q. What is this, Monami?
This is an uppercase Q.
And this is a lowercase q. What is this, Monami?
This is a lowercase q.
As you know, children, every letter has a sound. Letter Q is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, let us hear the story of a quail and the quack quack duck.
In the court of the queen, there once came a duck who made a lot of sound. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. The queen questioned her ministers. What is our problem? One minister who understood duck language explained to the queen that a quail, who is one of the duck's neighbors, drops a lot of quills in her litter box. Miss Duck, who is a bit squeamish, is absolutely intolerant of this act. The queen quickly set up an inquiry and the quail was brought to the court. The queen questioned her about the act. Quail explained that she wanted to be friends with Miss Duck but was unable to speak her quack language. So, she sent her quills as a message of friendship. The queen found the quail was innocent. Miss Duck also understood the matter and felt sorry for her complaint against the quail. The next day, the duck went to the quail's house and presented her with a quilt. The quail was very happy and she offered her a glass of orange squash. Now they have become good friends.
Quack quack quack. Quack quack quack.
Yes, that is the sound of letter Q. Quack. So now let us sing about the sound of letter Q. Are you ready, Monami?
Yes, miss.
So let's start. Q is a consonant, it has a sound. Q is a consonant, it has a sound.
Q is a consonant, it has a sound. Q is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the Q sound quack, 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 quack.
Let us say the Q sound quack, 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 quack.
Quack as in queen, quack as in Q, quack as in quilt.
Quack as in queen, quack as in Q, quack as in quilt.
Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. Q is a consonant, it has a sound. Q is a consonant, it has a sound.
Q is a consonant, it has a sound. Q is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the Q sound qua, 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 qua.
Let us say the Q sound qua, 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 qua.
Qua as in quill, qua as in quarter, qua as in quiet.
Qua as in quill, qua as in quarter, qua as in quiet.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
What have you learned today?
The sound of letter Q is qua. Qua as in queen. Qua as in quiet.
Yes, and qua as in quick. So children, please, 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 quickly click on the bell icon and subscribe to our channel.
And do not forget to like and share our channel.
Yes. In our next class, we will learn about letter R. Till then, bye.
Bye friends.